Cannot
What to
start already.
do? So much hair, see?
One egg, this one 1 kilo 15, you know.
They
Very
look yang siap.
mahal, very
Kedekut.
mahal.
Hi, I'm Will Meyrick,
And I'm Maxie Milllian.
and we're here to discover Penang. We're in Penang, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Correct.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I have a good sleep. I have a good sleep and kind of.
So the order of the day is coffee TM. So we're here at Toh Soon Cafe, which was the owner arrived in 1950, came to Penang, and for him to start with a job, he started on a tricycle, and he ended up in this gang, and this is the birth of the coffee TM for him. His signature thing that he does is his own Robusta coffee. Also, signature is the kaya toast, and then also I think they do a signature peanut butter.
Peanut butter, correct.
Yeah.
And then they also roast their own beans, I think.
Yeah. Roast their own beans. So a lot of this, had sort of originated from sort of humble beginnings, and this is where a lot of Chinese came over from Hanai and from different parts of China and started to live in these areas in Georgetown and started to create some of the signature food that we have in Penang. What do you want to try first?
I want to have this charcoal, the sesame charcoal.
Okay.
Looks great, man.
It does look good. Okay, I'm going to
Yeah.
try my eggs. I'm going to choc. Mix that. We've always got to have traditional, a little bit of pepper on the eggs, a little bit of soya on the eggs. So do you have this in Jakarta?
Yeah, man. I mean, about the kopitiam is as well. Even in Indonesia, there is a lot of Chinese community. So it's spread out through Indonesia, even in Jakarta, in Medan itself. So they bring all the tradition, I believe. And then they also have this kopitiam or the toast wrap.
And you know where they even do have it? In Seminyak. We went to one in Seminyak where they've got the Chinese Balinese up there in Bulaleng, and we had an amazing coffee TM. They have a signature thing with the egg like this, with soya sauce, and then you knock it back.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Super simple like this. And you know what? These coffees are strong. You have one of these and bang, you need the other bathroom quickly. So what I also, again, being in Malaysia, was also super signature with coffee TMs and become more and more popular, is also bringing in a lot of Malay sort of cuisine as well. So you've got nasi lemak here as well. I mean, nasi lemak is basically just sambal, anchovies, and then egg, and that's it. Super simple.
It become a staple food.
Yeah.
What people have to have it in the morning.
That's good too. Very good. So whatever you do, when you come to Toh Soon Cafe, make sure you come early because there's a massive queue down there and it gets really, really busy. So the earlier you get, the better it is and the quicker you can have your brekkie. Otherwise you're waiting for a long time.